What is up, everyone? This is FNH here with a brand new video to talk about how to fix this error. This app has been blocked for your protection on your Windows computer. So it's actually a pretty simple fix, and if you're wondering like me, you're trying to install, like, let's say uTorrent or something like CC Cleaner, and you're possibly getting this alleged error coming up on your device, so you want to get rid of it. The first and foremost thing is, I would always say right click and run as administrator. If obviously that doesn't work, the next strategy I'm going to show you is what you need to follow to basically preferably get rid of this error. So let's get right into it. Now, the first thing you need to do is, I've written it down over here, like, to follow exactly what needs to be done. But from there, we're going to click into regedit, and we're going to go into your registry editor. So in the Windows search engine place, you can literally just write regedit or registry edit. Preferably run it as administrator. Say yes. So in here, we're going to follow these steps. In HKey local machine, under this, we're going to open up software. Once we have software open up, you're going to probably do a lot of scrolling and looking around. We're going to open up Microsoft. So let's see. Microsoft is right here. In Microsoft, we're going to go all the way down looking for Windows. So scroll down. So once you have Windows opened up, you're looking for current version. Once current version is opened up, you're looking for policies. Like I said, a lot of scrolling is happening, and be sure and please be careful that you're opening only the exact ones I am currently mentioning. Then you're opening up system, and in here, that's it. You don't need to click anything else. So once you're in here, on the right side, you see all these registries basically, and you're going to double click into the one that says enable Lua, L-U-A. Double click into this, and you're going to change your value data from 1 to 0. And once you do that, you're going to press OK. You're going to save the registry, and it's going to ask you to restart your computer. The minute you restart your computer and turn it on, you should be able to then open up the file. This happened to a couple of my laptops that I have. It doesn't happen to my current computer, my PC, but it's happened to my laptop, in which I have, I believe, Windows 10. And I did this exact same thing, and it ended up working. So I would highly recommend you to do that. If it doesn't work, bring it back to 1 and let me know in the comments below. I'll walk you through another strategy, but this is like the one that works 99% of the time. The other one's more complicated, so I'd rather not mention that. This is what works, so definitely check this out. Try these methods out. Extremely simple to follow. Just like pause my video if you need to like take some time to scroll, but you should be easily able to like follow along, change the registry, and you should be good to go. So yeah, if you guys found this video helpful and informative, smash that like button. Helps a lot. New to the channel, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell. Other than that, FNH out. Peace.